Hello, 6th grade band. Today we're going to make a rhythm chart. So on your piece of paper, you can draw a line right down the center and draw a line right across the top. On one side, you can write rhythm and counts. Make sure you're spelling rhythm correctly. It's a funky word. R-H-Y-T-H-N. Rhythm. And then counts. That's going to be on this side of the chart, and on the other side of the chart you're going to write the value, how long each rhythm is going to last. Okay? And then we're going to start with our whole note and our whole rest. So remember, your whole note looks like a circle, and the whole rest is an upside down hat. Make sure you color in the hat. Underneath, you're going to write how we would count it. So when we count it out loud, when we clap, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice the dashes, because that's showing you you're holding through all of those sounds, those beats. And same thing with the rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. But we put that in parentheses to show that we're just thinking that in our head, since we're not making sound. Okay, I'm going to draw a little line underneath that to separate. Okay, on the other side, you're saying how many beats does the whole rest and the whole note equal? So it equals 4. Each one equals 4 beats. So you're just putting what it equals there. Next, we have our dotted half note. Dotted half note and a dotted half rest. So that is a hat upright, not upside down, with a dot next to it. So we have the note and the rest that it equals. And same thing as our whole note, 1-2-3, to show we're holding through 3 beats. Holding through 3 beats, but with parentheses to show that we're thinking it in our head, since it's silent. Rests are silent. And it equals 3 beats. Let's draw a line here. Now we have our half note. Right, it's not colored in. Half note with a stem. And then our half rest, just a little hat. Right? And then we have our half note equals 2 beats, so 1-2, holding through 2 beats. And then our half rest, we just put that in parentheses. And our half note and half rest equals 2 beats, 2 toe taps. Next we have our quarter note, right? It's color. Make sure you color it in for it to be a quarter note. Color in the note head, draw the stem. And here's how you draw a quarter rest. It's a Z, kind of stretched out, plus a C. A Z plus a C is how we make our quarter rests. And we just put 1 underneath, because you just give it 1 toe tap. You count 1. And put that 1 in parentheses to show you resting for 1 beat. And it equals 1. And now our last thing we're drawing are 2 eighth notes beamed together. 2 eighth notes beamed together. That's not 1 eighth note, that's 2 eighth notes. And we stick them together with that little beam at the top. Okay? And you count it like this, 1 and. That's a little plus sign, and that means and. And so guess what? When you put 2 eighth notes together, it equals 1 beat. Equals 1 beat, 1 and. Because each of these little eighth notes equals a half, and when you put 2 halves together, it equals 1. 1 and. Another day we will talk about our eighth note rests. For now, just write 1 and a 1 there. So this is your rhythm chart. When you're finished drawing out your rhythm chart, take a picture of it, kind of like this, picture, and then put it in the assignment and click submit. And I'll give you full credit for writing your whole rhythm chart. Keep that rhythm chart so you can reference back to it whenever you need it. Thanks.